What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video, an update, much needed update on Rndr. Rndr again, I mean it's still so bullish. It's right now at around 2.5. Unexpected, perhaps I should have expected it because of the way Rndr has been moving for the last, well, let's say 1.5 months. Basically since then, I mean we had some long periods of consolidation, but basically since then we've had moves like these. And it's a great project. I mean, I think long term, even though we're getting towards that $1 billion market cap, I think long term it could even get to a 10 billion easily. But yeah, still bullish, up 13%. We regained some bullish momentum with Bitcoin after the crash we had, and Rndr followed that. We found some resistance around 2.35 and 2.4, but the stronger movement was actually the bullish breakout above 2.2. and 2.25, and the way we held that level and the way we got that bullish breakout. So now I wanted to talk about a little bit more of Rndr regarding the technicals and the fundamentals. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now to Rndr. I mean, we all know that Rndr had some bullish fundamentals recently with the little narrative that is going on about distributed computing. And apart from that, also their burn mint equilibrium and their move to Solana all can be seen as bullish catalysts, which is true. But apart from that, and I've said this before, I think it's a bit manipulated as well. Getting like, well, what is it? Getting 25/30% from the exchanges of Hotcoin Global, FMFW, hit BTC and BTC Turk. That's not great volume sources to have. I mean, it doesn't mean that we'll crash all of a sudden. It's just that there's a little bit of a fishy thing going on. Well, that does mean that we can actually continue this move up, I think. Right now we are at a in the Signal chat room. We were also talking about shorting Rndr at some point. 2.55 is a level I named because usually we tend to, or cryptos tend to react fairly well to the 1.618 fib, and that's and as you can see, that's the 1.618 of this Fibonacci retracement. So I am expecting some bearish momentum from here. But the thing is, I mean, first of all, we can have a lot more bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin because of some news coming out today. So if Bitcoin becomes bullish, again, goes up to 31,000. I think Rndr will follow that up to 2.75 and 2.9. That's our next resistance level in my eyes, basically between 2.7 and 2.87. But still, let's just call it 2.75 and 2.9. That's a little bit better. So I think we can get there easily still. That's even the most likely scenario in my opinion, even if we get some bearish momentum here. As long as we are above 2.25, we're bullish. So I think right now we'll drop down, but I think we can actually hold this level, consolidate here, and get up towards 2.75 and 2.9. The only way in which that could change, and in which my view on that could change, is if Bitcoin crashes again, which, as we've seen from last week, is a possibility, or if Rndr almost gets no support of 2.25. Perhaps then the 2.55. 2.5 psychological level, perhaps then it was actually strong enough to push us down. But there's absolutely no indication that that's going to be the most likely scenario. So I'll monitor it closely. I'll update you on that. But for now, I think something like this is the most likely scenario. So that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.